Let's talk about how to use Adobe Premiere Elements for your edTPA videos. I will go over how to trim the beginning and the end of a video clip and how to create a final video so that it can be shared and uploaded to edTPA. You can find Adobe Premiere Elements in any of the computers in the computer labs in Aquinas and also at the library. Adobe Premiere Elements can also be accessed from the Virtual Student Lab, which allows you to access any of the software that's on the computer lab computers on your own computer while you're anywhere on campus. But that's another video, and you can go to IT support to ask about that. Adobe Premiere Elements can be found on your desktop in any of these rooms or on the student virtual lab screen. And of course, you can also search for it down here. Adobe Premiere Elements takes a few minutes to open it up. Once it does open, go to Video Editor. Again, this will take a few more minutes to open up. You can add your video clips from here or the top left corner. Using the top left corner, you can add your clip if you've already saved it on a file or if it's in a folder somewhere, either on your computer or on a flash drive. You can also plug your video camera directly into your computer and you can get your clip using that method. Mine is on my desktop and I added my file right down here. Now if I need to trim my video, I could trim it from the beginning or from the end. I can watch my video right here, stop it, fast forward. You could also use this option over here to spread your clip out a little bit. It makes it easier for you to see the beginning or the end and exactly what frames you're trimming. When I have the video clip trimmed, you should save your file. So I'm going to do File, Save As, and you can save it anywhere you want, either on your desktop or on a flash drive, on your H drive. I am going to save mine on my desktop. It will save this file as a .prel, and this is an Adobe Premiere Elements file and can only be opened using Adobe Premiere Elements. This is not ready to send to someone to look at or to upload it. This is just a draft version, so if you need to go back in and edit it another time, you can. When you are ready to share it with someone and to upload it to edTPA, you go to File, Export, and Share. This will package up your video and make it small enough so that you can upload it and anyone can see your video now without having Adobe Premiere Elements. So the first thing to do is to go to the Online tab. You want to make sure SD 480 is chosen. That will create a small version of your video. As you can see, it's 11.22 megabytes. Choose that, then go to Quick Export, name your video, pick your destination for your video, and then do Save. This shows you it's a low resolution, how large it is, and how long it is, and it's an MP4, and that's the kind of file that you need to upload to edTPA. If your file size is over 300 megabyte, it's too large for edTPA, and then you'll have to compress it. In order to compress it, there's another piece of software called Handbrake, and I also have another video to show you how to use that to compress your video and make it the appropriate size. This takes a few minutes to create the MP4 version of your video. Okay, so it's done. So I just want to show you where it's saved. This is my desktop. Here's the original clip that I used. This is a second clip that I haven't used yet. Here is the file that was created in Adobe Premiere Elements. It's the one that I could go back in and edit if I don't like the final version. And this is the final version. It's an MP4 and it's ready to be sent to someone to look at, shared, upload it to YouTube, or upload it to edTPA. If you really feel as though you totally messed up your editing and you want to start over again, your raw clips are right here. You do not lose your raw clips. That should be enough information to get you going on your edTPA videos.